What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm glad to be here. It's been about 2 weeks since my last video. I've been gone due to the fact that I've been sharpening up my trading strategy and been doing things a little bit differently to to get a better edge for my personal strategy. And I'm going to give you updates on that in the future. But now back to the regular content just for today. So let's go over what happened today, do a little bit of close of day analysis, and again, just prepare for tomorrow like we usually do. So today on this session, we did have a high of the day close. Uh, well, not high of the day, not like a spike close, but we did have a close around the highs, and we did have a strong close, as you can see here on the 1 hour chart. You scroll over here. So we pretty much closed at the highs with all this buying pressure. Now, in my opinion, today after what we got, so we had a very insignificant week last week in terms of internals. I didn't post that on the weekend analysis, but just overall, no one was really in control. And even with the bullish momentum all throughout the week, after the close of the week and what we saw, especially with the all-time highs, I would say that necessarily, you know, overall, it didn't look like new money buyers were getting involved. And here, as you can see here, so it doesn't look like new money buyer. Well, it does from a price action perspective, somewhat look like new money buyers got involved. However, there's two things that I like to take as a word of caution. So first off, let's go over the bulls. So first off, we did have close around the high, so that's bullish. And on the hourly chart, it does look more bullish, especially with all this buying pressure and a hammer close. Now, from the price action perspective, that's good. On top of the fact that these areas are acting as support, so overall, it does look like bulls are in control, or at the very least, they're still making an effort. I wouldn't say fully control, but they're still making an effort, especially when you take into consideration these caution signals. Which is first off, when you look at the 5 minute chart. It's pretty choppy, pretty shaky. It's like a minor fractal staircase to the upside. It is still an uptrend on the 5 minute chart. However, it's showing as if like it's barely struggling and it's struggling to make new highs above the all-time highs, which isn't good. And second off, well, actually, that does cut. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't. I'm sorry. The second thing is on the internals. It doesn't look like anything significant happened to the upside. It does look like bears failed to bring it down, especially due to this morning. Things were looking more bearish than bullish, and bulls were able to overturn that, but nothing really significant, honestly. As you can see here, it's pretty insignificant. So overall, the two cautionary signals I'm mentioning is internals didn't look strong, and it looks like we're struggling to make a new all-time high and break above the all-time high. But bullish signs of confidence would be we had close around the highs. We had a bullish candle, hammer candle on the close of the 1 hour chart, and overall we're above support levels. So I would say those are both the bullish things and the bearish signs. So you have to take both into consideration and be smart with your entries and have a plan that goes along with that thesis. In my opinion, that's what I would be looking for tomorrow. So to make it short and simple for you guys, what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow is that I got three setups I got for tomorrow. So I got my alerts right there. So I got two bullish scenarios. The first one would be look for a 15-minute higher low above 536.15, which is above this bearish candle. So again, it's like a good place to look for a 15-minute higher low retest. As sellers, if we get above here and go higher, sellers would have failed and buyers overpower that little level of significance for the bears. So that would be a good place to look for longs to see if to make an effort if their effort actually has any value to it in terms of making higher. So I would look for a 15-minute higher low setup for the bulls above $536.15, and we would target $537.50, and then $538.50 is the optimal target. Second, look for a retest around $534.25, which is pretty much at around where bears had a retest here. And the bears failed to continue lower, especially with the selling pressure, and we continued upwards. So this is a good area to look for a retest. And we would look target $536, and then $537.15 is and then $537 is the optimal target. And lastly, for the bears, in case it shows that since there was there's no signs of new money buyers on this, the bear setup that I would be looking for, as mentioned, would be Look for, so right here at this 1 hour support level, which is a post breakout. And by post breakout, I mean, if you look here, so again, we really failed here on the hourly chart, and this is a support level since we've been acting as support around this level, as you can see. So if we get any price confirmation below, that would be signs of effort by the bears, and a good area, in my opinion, to be looking for setups. So what I would be looking for here would be a 15-minute lower high type of setup below $532.96, below the support level, and we would target $531.52, which is the nearest daytime frame head and shoulders neckline. And then the optimal target is $530.52, just $1 lower. So those are my setups that I got for tomorrow. Hope this helps. Hope this helps you get in the mindset of what to look for as a technical analysis type of trader intraday. So, guys, any questions, comments, or concerns, I'll be happy to answer them. And I'm always glad to do this for you guys and to get better within myself and for you guys as well. So, besides that, guys, day trading knockouts out. Stay safe, stay green.